When you hear the term made in America, made in the USA, what do you think of? Do you think of the American worker, contributors to the economy, quality? Well, at KEY-BAK, we've been at it for 76 years, manufacturing right here in Southern California. Today, I want to make an announcement. We want to extend our expertise to you. Let me explain. You see, for decades, we've been manufacturing all types of retractable products, from retractable keychains, badge reels, tool tethers, so we know how to manufacture metal stamped and injected plastic mechanical units. So if your business has a need for this type of manufacturing, we can help. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and cutting-edge technology, and it's operated by our skilled staff, allowing us to meet the needs of our customers and deliver a diverse array of custom OEM products. Some of our OEM capabilities and services include CAD and engineering design, rapid prototyping, injection molding services, production and packaging services, digital printing, and project management to bring your idea from concept to market. Okay, so if you're looking for an OEM partner that can offer you the quality that your customers expect, well then give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one, guys.